Today, in environmental science, we'll be talking about how the narwhal smuggling ring got busted, how elephants show compassion, and that humans are responsible for 62% of cougar deaths in reintroduced areas. We will also be talking about the oil spill in Alaska. The oil actually still lingers in the beaches of Alaska. We'll be talking about the current of Antarctica and how the Great Lakes froze 88% over.
The scientists studied 26 elephants of varying ages at the Elephant Nature Park in the Mae Tang district of Chiang Mai Province, Thailand. Adult male elephants were excluded for safety reasons. Asian elephants like great apes, dogs, certain corvids, the bird group that includes ravens and us, have now been shown to recognize when a herd mate is upset and to offer gentle caresses and creeps of sympathy, according to a study published February 18 in the online journal Peer. Narwhals are just a bit safer today. A multi-year investigation had resulted in arrests connected with illegal transporting of the whale tusks across international borders. The National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration's Office of Law Enforcement, the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service, and Environment Canada worked together to bring down the smuggling ring.
A team of oceanographers discovered reports the results of 4 years of continuously monitoring the Antarctic circumpolar current on Monday, February 24th, at the 2014 Ocean Sciences meeting of the American Geophysical Union in Honolulu. The circumpolar current circles Antarctica clockwise from west to east, speeding ship flows with the current but providing resistance for those sailing in the opposite direction. The churning waters ferry heat, salt, and marine life between the Atlantic, Indian, and Pacific Oceans, but the current also isolates Antarctica from waters to the north. The waters were thought to carry 20% less water than measured now. They are also moving more south because of global warming. The ice that now covers the Great Lakes reaches an even greater extent on February 13th, when it covered about 88% of the lakes, coverage not achieved since 1994, when the ice spanned over 90%. In addition to this year, ice has covered more than 80% of the lakes in only 5 other years since 1973. The average annual maximum ice extent in that time period is just over 50%. The smallest maximum ice cover occurred in 2002, when only 9.5% of the lakes froze over.
The reintroduction of mountain lions across the Midwestern United States has made species management an urgent area of research for conservationists. A new report explores the fatal cost of human interaction with cougars and asks what state agencies can do to protect both species. Humans are considered responsible for about 62% of cougar deaths in re-established populations.
The Exxon Valdez oil spill is not just an awful memory. Oil from one of the most devastating environmental disasters in US history still clings to the boulder stew in beaches in the Gulf of Alaska and could stick around for decades, scientists say. The oil spill cleared up and there are no signs of it on the surface of the water. However, between the almost unmoving rocks and boulders on the Alaskan beach, the oil still lingers in between and can't dissolve because the bubbles don't move. Scientists said that the oil will stay there for decades, but it won't harm the environment or the mollusk population because it's simply too little.